Hey, what's up guys? So I just found this really cool website that I think you guys can find useful. It's to create free mockups. And so I'll go ahead and give you a quick demonstration on how it works. The first thing, it's called PlaceIt.net. It's this really cool resource where you can make free mockups online. And they also have like a paid pricing membership, but for now, for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna focus on the free area. And right here, over on the left-hand side, you can see freebies. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that. So yeah, so basically the goal is, with this website, is to create free mockups. Let's just find a cool mockup actually. Let's go page 4, why not? So take a look at this sweatshirt here. A pullover sweatshirt. Pretend we're trying to make a pullover sweatshirt mockup. Basically how it works is, it's super easy. So first thing over here on the right hand side, you can change the background image. So let's just go with a bit more of a vibrant orange, for example, or we can just change it to like a green, whatever the case is. And then you can even change the hoodie color over on the right hand side. And over on the left hand side, you can simply upload your design. So let's just go to this desktop. There's my logo. Okay, so I just uploaded my logo. And basically here's where you position the logo on the mockup. So just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna kind of make this a bit smaller. Hit crop. And it's going to generate the mockup for me. And it's going to position the logo like it's actually on a sweatshirt. So it angles it correctly, and it looks totally realistic. But let's pretend I didn't like this green background, because the truth is I kind of don't. Let's go with a white background so we can pretend to put this on a website. And you come right here to free download, and it's gonna download. But look, that's literally how easy it is, guys. Okay, watch. So take a look how this came out. Boom. So PlaceIt.net is a perfect way to create free mockups for your website and or Instagram for your next post and or product image. Thanks guys.